Today I have my Dell official laptop power supply and a replacement I got. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. I'm excited to have an extra one so I don't have to carry one around. Let's do a comparison. Oh boy, does that look exactly the same or what? So without saying they came out of the same factory, because I don't know if they did or not, they really look similar. It's simple 130 watt power supply. That's exactly what the Dell power supply is. It comes with a cord just like the Dell. We're going to go ahead and plug it in here and we'll open it up, of course. We can get it plugged in like that. It turned on, the light turned on, the light's on. Let's compare it to the factory Dell one. We turned that on and the light's on. If I take the new one and put it in the USB port right here, the light on my laptop lit up saying it was plugged in and charging. If I take the Dell one, plug it in, same light came on, indicating it's going to work. So I would say I'm pretty darn impressed. Very, very similar in all ways to the official Dell one. I plugged it in and it works. I'm excited to have an extra one. Okay, we're still evaluating these power cords, and I noticed that when I compare the lengths, the new one is about 2 feet longer on the power cord side compared to the official Dell one, and on the output or computer side they're pretty much identical. So that's awesome. So we got a little bit more length on the replacement one, so that'll be helpful.